So guys, you're gonna see how fast my 110cc pit bike can accelerate today. That was 20. So I'll tell you how long that was at the end of this video. Yeah, I'll put that in this video.